-3. Okay, your first line should be something like this. Okay, it should be going that direction. Okay, line 2 should start somewhere at -3 and be going this way. What is that intersection point? 4, -1, so B. Okay, if you don't know on your test, what should you do? If you don't know what the answer is on your test, what should you do? Guess, okay? It's multiple choice. Freaking guess. Don't leave it blank. That's stupid. I don't care how much or how little of work you show on your final, because it's multiple choice, okay? There's no partial points. You either get it right or you get it wrong, okay? 3. So we got this 5x plus 3y equals 6. And we got x plus 3y equals 6. -6. Okay, write them down below separately. So I got x plus 3y equals -6. Okay, our first step is always to subtract the x's. And then divide by the number that's next to the y. Okay, so you should get y equals 6 divided by 3 is 2 minus 5/3 x. Okay, so that line should start at 2 and it should have a slope of 5/3, meaning it should go like this. Okay, this one, same thing, you're going to subtract the x's and I would put a 1 in front of that x. Okay, so you get 3y equals 6 minus 1x. And then you're going to divide each thing by 3. Should get y equals 2 minus 1/3 x. Okay, this one, same thing. Your line should start at 2 and it should be going 1/3. I can tell you right now that these lines should look like this. What is that? I think. I don't know. No, check. Oh, I forgot a negative. No, it's not. So this should be a -2. Okay, so what is that intersection point? -3? Somebody agree? What is that? C? Okay, 5 is substitution. Okay, I'm going to show you a cheater way now. You can do the old way, okay? You would circle, which one, top or bottom equation? The bottom, okay, and plug it back in. However, you can use the answers to help you out. So you could say y equals x plus 2. You can pick either one. And you take that coordinate. Okay, so one of the coordinates is -4, -1. Okay, so it goes x comma y. So you get -4, -1. Okay, so you could plug in -4 for the x. What is -4 plus 2? -2. And the y is -1. Is that a true statement? No, so that one's definitely not the answer. Okay, you could use 4 comma -1. Okay, well y is -1 and x is going to be 4. What is 4 plus 2? 6. Is -1 equals 6? No, so it's definitely not that one. And then lastly you got -3, -1. Okay, what is -3 plus 2?
What? They fell out.
Okay.
Okay, go put it back in. Thanks.
Okay, -3 plus 2 is -1. Is that true? Yeah, okay, so if you like the old way of doing substitution and elimination, do that, okay? If you want to use the answers to, I don't want to say cheat, okay, because it's not cheating, but, so it's going to be D. Okay, elimination works the same way. You can use the coordinates to help you out. So in this case, I got x minus 3y equals 10, and I got negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 5. Okay, do we have two with the same number? Yes, okay, and they're different signs, so we can add them together. So 1 plus negative 2 is going to be negative 1x equals 5. And then we divide by negative 1. So for the x, you should get negative 5. Okay, well, can you cross anything off your answer choices? You know the x is supposed to be negative 5. What can we cross off? B and C. Okay, so now at least you got a 50-50 shot at guessing. Okay? And if you wanted to guess from there, you totally can. My suggestion would obviously be plugging in. So I got x is negative 5 minus 3y equals 10. Okay, so I'm going to add 5. So get negative 3y equals 15. And then divide by negative 3. What is the y going to be? What is 15 divided by negative 3? Negative 5. So what answer choice is that going to be? D. Okay, 9. We got negative 6x minus 2y equals 10. And I got negative 3x minus 2y equals 7. Okay, I have two with the same number and same sign, so we need to subtract these. Okay, well, what is negative 6 minus negative 3? Negative 3. And then the y's are going to cancel. Okay, and then I got 10 minus 7 is 3. So x is going to equal negative 1. What could you eliminate? Why everything? Yeah, okay, so you don't even have to finish the problem because all I check is did you circle A, B, or C, or D? Okay, so we know that x is negative 1, and so our answer choice is going to be B. Is that right, B? Did I look at that right? Okay, thanks. Okay, 11, I got 5x plus 10y equals 10, and 4x plus 5y equals 5. Okay, this one we have both different numbers, so we need to cancel, multiply by something. What do you want to cancel? The 5. The y, so we're going to say times. 5 times what gives me 10? 2. And do I want the same signs or different signs? Different, so this should be a negative 2. Okay, so the top equation, we haven't changed anything. And then the bottom equation, you get negative 8x minus 10y equals negative 10. Okay, and now we can add these together. What is 5 plus negative 8? Negative 3x, and then you're going to get equals 0. So you're going to divide by 3, and you get x equals 0. Okay, what can we eliminate? Everything? Everything except for D. Okay, so this one's kind of the same. You don't have to go through and finish the problem. You can kind of stop there. Okay, as soon as you know one of the answers, just stop. Okay, 11. If we look at that sign, okay, what kind of line should that be? Solid or dotted? Solid. So what could you cross off? D. Okay, cross them off as you can. Where should this line start out at? At positive 3. What could we else cross off? Everything but C. Okay, so 13 is going to be C.